Good morning. It's bright and early. It's exactly 6:30 a.m. and I am tired. So I am going to just get ready real quick and then head out the door and get started. It's 11 and a half hours today. It's gonna be long, but we will get there. Yeah. And this is the point where you really have to start looking. I use Gas Buddy, but this is the point where I'll explain it later because I want to get ready and look presentable. So here we go. I thought I'd update you guys on the plan. So I'm going to get ready all except for my makeup. So I'm going to do my hair. I just brushed my teeth. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna pack everything up and put it all in the car. And since I can see my car and I have both sets of keys because I don't have auto start, I am going to pack it all up, turn on my car and let it run while I do my makeup, then finish everything up, go check out real quick, get my to-go breakfast, and then leave, and my car should be warm enough to start driving. Also, gas is like $1.35 a liter here right now. That's so expensive. Okay, we will see you when I'm done with all of that. I just took a slow-mo video of the outfit of the day. I've got these blue-green Wonder leggings from Lululemon, and then this black t-shirt and my Patagonia jacket. I am ready to go. I decided to wear leggings today because I started my period, which is so fun. Because now I have to like actually stop to use the bathroom every so often. But yeah, so I'm about to go check out and I'm gonna do that fairly quickly because I want to get out of here and get going. So here we go. Hey, good morning from the car. I stopped at Tim Hortons today and I got a chocolate glazed donut, very yummy. I also got a box of 10 assorted Timbits, which are donut holes. So gonna have those. Probably gonna lose service pretty quick today, but we will see. They're plowing the snow, but I don't remember it snowing. I also don't know how to go around this guy, so I'm just gonna take it wide, take it nice and wide. Yeah, okay. Cool. We did it. But yeah, we are off. It's 8:14. Rip. Oof. Yeah. Which means I'll probably end up getting there at like 8:45. Yeah. Probably like 8:45. We will see. I'm waiting at another construction area. Said it was a blasting area, so that's a fun time. Just stopped just barely, so there is one semi and one car in front of me, and the car that's in front of me, I pulled off the road and let them pass because they were trying to go so fast up and down that mountain, and there's a lot of ice on the road. So, and I can see their tires and I do not see studs, so they're some brave souls. But I was trying to keep closer to them just to make sure they didn't just like fly off the road, because honestly I thought that was what was gonna happen. So but it didn't, and we're good. But now I'm just waiting to go. Yep, it's really icy, so I'm kind of glad I'm staying the night at Whitehorse tonight because I don't think I can drive in the dark in these conditions, because there's obviously no street lights because it's the middle of nowhere. We're in provincial parks right now, mostly. Oh, I could set up my iPad to be on the Bluetooth right now. I'm gonna do that. I just passed my first herd of bison. They were all off on the side, so really couldn't see much of them. But sometimes there's a couple stragglers that are just kind of away from the pack. So I think I might be coming up on one now. You see. So I try to go a little bit slower because sometimes they just like to run right out. And I'm just like, nah, man, not a good idea. No, that was just a rock. Oh, fun. Okay. Yeah, there's none up here. So, but also another fun tip when you're driving in place with animals, wild animals, I recommend just like looking off onto the side and seeing, because, well, there's snow, so if there's not snow, you might have a harder time, but usually I look to see if there are any footprints in the snow. Any prints, I guess they're not feet, to see if there's fresh print. I mean, so far only one herd and they weren't very active, which it surprises me because every time I see them, they're usually like roaming around. So I'm not really sure. I guess it's not lunchtime yet, maybe. Definitely record them if I see them and they're in my way, but if they're not in my way, probably not going to do anything. I'm just going to keep on driving. It's a long day today. I think I have about 8 hours left, which means I'm 3 hours in. Yeah, so wish me luck. Alright, I'm gonna go real Oh my gosh, so many babies. Alright, wow. I'll warn the oncomers by flashing my lights, but that was them. I don't know if there will be more. We've got some a little closer to the road. This guy can't tell if he wants to fight or if he's gonna stay chill, you know? We chill, bro. Not gonna run out at me? No? Okay, hi little buddy. Oh, so cute. Got another one just laying over there. These guys could do some damage for sure. For sure. I think that's the last of them over here though. And we continue on the side of the road so we can get a size view there. They are about as tall as my car. Hi guys, how's it going? You're so cute. Alright. And there was that. They're the only two out there. Kind of sad. We are about to pass over into Yukon territory for the first time. The fun thing about that is before you actually get like fully into Yukon territory, this highway likes to go like back and forth between BC and Yukon. So it's a really fun time. Yeah, this is gonna be the first time we're crossing over. It should be just on the other side of this curve, but I can't remember if there's a sign or not, so that's why I'm recording just in case. But then it'll be dumb if I am and there is no sign, because that's sad. Oh well, here's a sign for Alberta, I think, right there on the left. I mean, not Alberta, BC. Fort Nelson Forest District. Just kidding, I lied. I'm not really sure. Huh. Alright. I think I see a sign. No, I see a truck, so maybe not a sign. I don't know. It's a little bit buried if it is a sign. I'm gonna go a little bit slower. And what does it say? It says, "Welcome to Yukon." You can barely see that. Welcome to Yukon. Alright, we're in Yukon, but we're gonna get back out of Yukon in a few minutes. So, good times. What does that say? Let's keep Yukon clean and have some fireweed. How cute. Oh, I don't know if there's another sign. I think there is though. But we're just like, it's just around this corner and straight for a little bit before, or like somewhat straight before we get into Yukon officially. And I believe there's like this little checkpoint there, or at least there was the last time I came through this way, and I'm pretty sure I saw it on my way out of Yukon last time, so we'll see. Oh, there's a rest area in 2 kilometers. Perfect! So perfect. Interesting. What's that guy doing? He just completely stopped. All right, so I just stopped at the rest stop. You can see here, just like normal, like outhouse things. Apparently we're on the 60th parallel right now too, so 60 degrees north latitude is what we're on right now. So that's kind of cool. And I've just got to get out here. We've got 12 kilometers to Watson Lake, and that's where I'm gonna get gas. There's a hair in my face. I don't really see the checkpoint that I remember being present the last time I came through, but I think it might be a little bit further along. Maybe at the way station, because here says there's a way station. It doesn't say how far the way station is, so. But it might be at the way station. I feel like that is something I remember. And then should just be about 5 hours from Watson Lake, which will be a nice drive. Hopefully it's not like too snowy, icy, whatever. Oh wait, here's the Yukon sign. I gotta go slow past this guy so then I can flip the camera real quick. Ah! Okay, hold on. Here it comes. I'm going slow so that you can see it. There she is. Yukon. Larger than life. Plus Grand Q Nature. Is that what that said? Now entering the Yukon portion of the Trans-Canada Trail. Cool. I want to say that that's where the checkpoint was last time, but I'm really not sure. So I don't even know if they have a checkpoint anymore. Because now they're testing everybody that goes through. And my test came back. I don't remember if I said this in yesterday's, but I got my test back yesterday from when I tested when I got into the country, and it was negative, as was my previous test. So I still have that extra test that I'm not really sure if I have to take or not. They're gonna tell me. So yeah, because I got in on the 28th. I would have to wait until the 7th of April in order to take the test. So take it on the 7th and then send it back if that's what they want me to do. But I really don't know if that is what they want, because I also don't know if the label that's in the kit, if it's an international label or not. So yeah, but we are just still trekking along. Hopefully we'll get to Whitehorse at a decent time. So far it's saying that I'm gonna get there at like 7 o'clock. So I must have made up some time somewhere. I'm not really sure, but we will see. Another wildlife spotting. I didn't get enough time to catch it on camera, but I just saw a wolf. I don't think I've ever seen a wolf in the wild before, but kind of made me a little bit nervous because when I saw it, it was looking back already, like as if it was running away from something, but like nothing. I haven't seen anything yet that would be something it would be running away from, so I'm not really sure. And then like after I passed it, it stopped and turned around and just kind of like stopped in the road, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, a wolf sighting. Cool stuff. I just saw this bridge that's coming up and it looks pretty cool, so I figured, you know, let's just take a video of it. Look at this awesome bridge. So fun. these bridges because you literally like slide back and forth on this metal. Like it feels like you have no traction. It's really not fun. But I mean, look at it, so cool, so cool. Okay, and we're off the bridge, thank the Lord. 110 miles left until I get to Whitehorse, so very excited about that. Probably about 2 hours, maybe less, we will see. But yeah, very exciting. Pretty place. Just on the bridge. Very nice. We have made it to snow, friends. I have about an hour left of the drive, if that. I have like 60 miles left, and it is snowing. But it's pretty, so I don't mind. Oh my. Like, we just got into it right now. Let me show you. My goodness. This is what we're working with here. It is snowing. It looks a lot less on camera. I'm not really sure, but good times. Probably have about a mile of visibility, which isn't too terrible. But we only have an hour left. We got this. It's supposed to snow tomorrow too, so I'll probably be driving in the snow tomorrow, but hopefully not too much. Just want to show you this crazy weather. It just like looks so insane right now. I don't even know, like, it looks so crazy. I don't know why, but just like the clouds, everything. Wow. Wow. I mean, look at that. Okay, I did already get into the room, so I've already seen it, but I've also already stayed here, so I'm gonna just show you what the room looks like. So here we go. So this is the door here, and when you first walk in, you've got this mini fridge, and it actually has a freezer in it too. There's a freezer up top, and I just already put some drinks in there. Coffee maker. We've got the little luggage thing that I'll use, hangers and closet and such. Oh, I should actually go get my coat out of my car so I have it in the morning. This is the bathroom. I love the bathroom here. I love it, honestly. 10 out of 10 would recommend just for the bathroom. But so they give you 2 glasses, a makeup wipe, and a washcloth there, and this cute little thing. Lotion, hand soap. I love that it's a pump too. Almost every hotel will give you a bar of soap, and that is why I bring my own pump soap with me. Then we have this drawer that's just empty. The toilet paper's under here, which I think is weird, but whatever. Then there's the hair dryer in here, and these are slippers. So yeah, I wonder if you can keep these actually. Probably. I'm gonna open those, we'll see. Maybe I'll keep them. Then we got the hand towels, more hand towels, washcloth, another towel, toilet, the shower, my friends. The shower! Okay. Literally, it's beautiful. And then we've got the shampoo, bath gel, and conditioner. Then you have the handheld shower. And you have the rainfall shower. So it's amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Then we come back out. They give you a little thing for your shoes, which I love because obviously it's carpeted. You have trash, recycling, ice bucket, little dresser that you can use. This is the restaurant here. Probably not gonna eat there, but this is what you've got. Then you can get chocolate bars, soft drinks, and potato chips at the front desk. You get a little I would say dining thing, tissues, this cute little lamp, and then 2 chairs. You got the nightstand and the list of all the channels, which is really nice. Alarm clock, phone, lamp. And also these lamps are on the light switch. So it's really nice because you don't have to flip the switch. And then this is the mirror. No full length mirror in this hotel, but close enough. Another little desk area with another chair. Good times. Here's comment card. Comes with, is this a cooling one? Yeah, so this is just a fan. They put a fan in your room. And then here is your heater. Oh, you control the heat over there on the wall. They do have an overhead light, which is really nice. And then the balcony room costs the same as a normal room. And I think the reason for that is because they don't have an elevator, even though it's only on the 2nd floor. But they do have the privacy curtains, and then also, of course, like full blackout if you wanted to. But let me put on my mask so I can show you the balcony. Okay, mask is on, and here's our balcony. Oh, this is pretty nice. But yeah, pretty nice view. They get really good northern lights views if it's clear. And then that is just the airport over there. Pretty nice. All right, thankfully, DoorDash exists. So we are gonna have some McNuggets and French fries with sweet and sour. Their drink machine was down, and the guy told me that the drink machine was broken and that I should call DoorDash and get a refund or whatever. Sorry, I'm getting my drink out of the fridge that is not cold. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna put it in a little freezer pouch for a sec. But I honestly don't care that much. It was like part of a meal. It is what it is, but very nice. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat now. All right, so we're currently facing east, but I wanted to show you what the sky looks like right now. It's almost sunset. It's 8:30. Oh, it's 8:42. So the sun is probably just starting to set now, but it's really pretty. So I just got out of quite possibly the best shower of my life. The rainfall shower is just impeccable. I also look very shiny because I am doing a mask that is not technically a mask. My acne is out of control. I think it's just hormonal from my period, and then also a mix of just putting it through the ringer of conditions, because being in a car all day long is not ideal, and it like never gets fresh air. Like my forehead gets fresh air. This much of me gets fresh air. And only for probably a maximum of 20 minutes a day, which is not ideal. Like fresh air is necessary for the skin. So I don't have a mask though, but sometimes I will put mentholatum, which is the all natural version. I'm not sure if Vicks Vapor Rub is all natural or not, but it's basically the same thing. You get it in the same spot, but it says 100% all natural. And I put it on like spots that I have sometimes, and it really helps clear them up. And just, I literally was looking at all of my skin. I was really picking at it, honestly. It's so bad right now. And so I was like, I like put some on these right here, and then I was like, psh, whatever, just put it on my whole face. So I did. I'm gonna let that sit for a while. I also put it when I use it on my face, like not for acne. So I'll put it under my nose or even in my nose to help me breathe better. And then I also, right now, I have a scab like literally right on the inside of my nose that just will not heal. And it's really annoying, and I think it's just from the dryness. So, and it hurts, like it hurts bad. Sometimes I'll just like touch my nose and then it's like super painful, or I'll like sniff and it hurts, and it's just like, it's so painful, and I don't know how to fix it. But so I've been using that also, just because like Vaseline makes me feel like I'm suffocating, like if I put Vaseline inside my nose. So I use this instead, and I know it probably doesn't work as well as Vaseline for it being dry, but plus I never breathe out of my mouth, almost never, and so I'm always breathing out of my nose. And so for me to put Vaseline in my nose and make it feel like I'm suffocating is just not ideal. But yeah, so sometimes I'll put it under my eyes and on my eyes to help depuff, and it really helps with that as well. So I did that too, and so I'm just gonna let it sit for a while, and then I'll do my normal skincare routine. I'm watching the Dancing with the Devil Demi Lovato docu-series. Is it a docu-series, I think? And it's so good, so good. Premium. So I'm just gonna probably lay here and watch that for a little bit and then go to sleep. I'm excited that we face east, because then I can leave the yeah, actually I'm not gonna do that. I didn't think about that. So the balconies connect to each other, like the person in the next room and the person in this room could come out onto their balcony and literally just climb over the part that gets into mine and like come through. I mean, there's a lock on the door, there's a deadbolt, and I have it deadbolted, but I don't like that they could come hop over and then see inside if I just use the privacy curtain. So I will probably leave it closed, unfortunately. Tear. But I'll open it when I wake up for sure. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today, and then tomorrow's the last day. I'm so excited to be back in Alaska. I love Canada. I love Canada so much, but during a pandemic, it is really, really hard to love Canada, because like you can't do anything. And I'm not complaining that they won't let you do anything because we're in the middle of a pandemic. Like, I don't care. I'm glad that they are this strict. I'm glad that they have these restrictions, because it's really what helps. But it's just, it's hard to only drive and be in hotel rooms for 4 days. Like, it's a challenge. And I'm just excited to be around people again. And like, as soon as I get my COVID test results back, it will be miraculous, honestly. And it's only 5 hours into the drive tomorrow that I make it back into Alaska. And then I'm gonna continue the same practices that I'm doing here until I receive the results back from my COVID test. But it should be fairly quick, hopefully. And I'm very excited. I'm really excited to be back in Alaska. Don't know if you can tell. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.